And Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he told us, one of the people, a category of people that are going to be underneath the shade of Allah Azza wa Jal on the day of judgment, under the Arsh, when everyone is under the sun. One of these categories is a person, a male or female, ذكر Allah, made dhikr of Allah, khaliya, alone, in secret, without anyone seeing him. فَفَاضَتْ عَيْنَاهُ, and as a result, his eye began to tear. He was moved to tears. Such a person, the one who cries from dhikrullah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is someone who will be under the arsh of Allah Azza wa Jal on the day of judgment. He will be in the shade on the day of judgment when the people are out in the scorching heat and the sun is only a mile away from their heads. Allahu Akbar. Some people are drowning in their sweat. Some people, the sweat is to their ankle, some until their waist, and some are drowning in their sweat according to their sins. But there is a category of people, and those are who remembered Allah in secret, whether reading Al-Quran, because Al-Quran is dhikrullah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or they were engaged in salat, or they were saying Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah wallahu akbar wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, engaging in dhikrullah, and then they were moved to tears. Why? Because this is the result of dhikrullah. If dhikrullah was to touch your heart, if you allow dhikrullah in your life, and you continuously repeat it on your tongue, to the point where it begins to penetrate the heart, it'll move the eye to tears. A person will begin to cry out of the fear of Allah Azza wa Jal, and out of love for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, hoping in His reward and fearing His punishment and His anger. Such a person, Allah guaranteed that he will be under the arsh, Allahu Akbar, on the day of judgment.